My brother, nice one. For you. Okay, what inspired this song? He inspired this song. He made this song.
Successful. I go super as that.
Not true.
So I don't dey hear am. Don't dey say my group I see many people dey talk anyhow.
Yes.
So I go say make I drop this track for them.
Yes.
So no matter anything wey dey talk.
You gonna succeed.
And God dey bless me everything my life na selling for.
Selling for na.
Everything wey dey my own na selling for.
Na true.
I no sell their pastor.
Yeah.
That's why I drop that song.
Yeah, that's very
And one
great.
more thing, anything on whether you be girl or whether you I know be free. If
Yes.
you want to make any move in life, just decide and stand up, make that move.
Make the move.
No
Yes.
bother or no send everything people go talk.
No send though. No send.
Wetin
Do you hear?
people go talk. Na why some people never achieve wetin they wan achieve.
You dey hear?
Because they say what they consider wetin people go talk.
People go talk.
So we no consider am as though.
So this is coming from Ikalika, letting you guys know the same thing I was saying yesterday on my live streaming. I said, do not listen to what people say. Do what you want. Do what is in your mind. Chase your dream. As you wake up in the morning, first thing, pray to God. Second thing, chase your dream. What I go now? Stay away from gossip. Stay away from. Don't gossip another person and don't listen to gossip. That is the way to go. Thank you so much, Ikalika, for being on my live streaming today. I have one more question for you. Like not one more. I have a lot of questions for you today because today I want you to enlighten these people, enlighten the listeners and the viewers to know how it is, like your strategy on how you move to the top. So firstly, tell us like. Did you started this music from small, or did you started it on your youth age, or when did you started this music?
Man, I started music when I see they do boy. Boy, when I dey serve for that. Even that I said for shop, I carry book, they write music.
Wow.
I dey for shop, I know they even my guy dey para for me, so I can go outside go find customer. If I carry my book go outside go dey write song, instead I go dey pursue customer dey write song. So when I started when the bring problem with me and my understand.
Wow.
But as guy man, I need to understand. So after I come back, when I based on say music need money.
Music need money.
So before you dey do music, anything entertainment, make sure say you get another source of income.
Source of income is another thing.
You no go dey frustrated.
Another thing.
Get source of income wey you take dey push that thing. So I can't go learn barbing. So that barbing na him come dey give you some more money. Come dey push am. I can't go learn DJ. But now as you play DJ dey pay na. So I come dey push am.
Omoba said why? Yes.
With that, I don't get to something for the barbing and the DJ.
Yeah.
I can't get the money after the push the music. Especially when you my music that time I DYC for it. So I make 2009. My first video. 2013.
Your first music video. 2013. Wow. Did you know how long? Do you know how many years is that?
Okay.
How many years beyond? Since 2013, you got your first video. Wow.
I dropped my first album, video album, no the album.
Video album.
Wow.
Wow.
So after I can't let go, I can't enter let go.
Wow.
Great.
Wow.
Understand?
Wow.
And if I tell you our story as you think enter let go.
Yes, nah.
When I go and I need the bless.
Yes, not true.
If now for Lagos, I just say, don't say before I hear and say people enter Lagos, they sleep on that place, they sleep for anyhow hospital.
Wow.
But I come, I see.
Wow. Yes, nah. We come, we see, we conquer. That is the way of a believer. As long as you are someone that is destined to greatness, as long as you're destined to greatness, eyes in the background, as long as you're destined to greatness, you are going to understand that you are going to excel in anything you do. anything you do in this life, make sure you are a believer. Believe in yourself first. Even when nobody believes in you, believe in yourself. And Ikalika just let us know that he dropped his first studio album. That is his first music video, not Oboka 1, Oboka 2, like more than 5 or 6 music video, 2014, and his first was on 2013. Am I correct? So, so you can see that he has been in this game for so long, and he have a lot to tell you people, a lot for you to learn from a icon as great as he is, Ikalika. I'm so great to have him in my life today. Did you have any other song you are promoting so I can play for the fans to listen to?
I have Iba Piano.
Iba Piano. I think I've had that song everywhere. Not everywhere, but everywhere. That's your song. Wow. Let me play Ikalika, Iba Piano for you guys to stream and see. Go follow his page. Ikalika is live on all streaming platforms. Content creator, musician, and a multi-talented artist. So I'm playing Ikalika, Iba Piano for you all to stream live. Go stream his music on all music platforms. Go to your favorite platform. Open up Spotify. Anything you are playing music with, Spotify, YouTube Music, Apple Music. Search Ikalika and follow his page and stream his song. For ndị Igbo, na-anụkwa Igbo na-asụ. Go and stream his song. So let's go. Iba Piano by Ikalika. Hey. One time. Hey. Yeah. Ikalika. One time, let's go. One time. Inaanukwa. Iba Piano. One time. One Inaanukwa. Are you there? Share the live. Like and give anything you want to do. Follow us live. We're streaming live today. Yes. Oh, speaking in tongues again. I know who's speaking in tongues, guy. Bro, this is a very, very, very great song. I want to play from the top again. Nah, I got above the Nah. This is a very wonderful song. Wow. This is Ikalika, superstar Ikalika. Let's go. Yeah. One time. Hey, give a piano. Hey, Pasta is doing one day. Let's go. One time. Yeah. Okay. Hey. Inaruba. Yeah. Hey. Ini man pega baye. Inaruba. Ayabia. No. One time. Hey. Voila. You want to go? Bro, guy. Hey, guy. See, this is what I call music. I call this music. It is well mixed, well mastered, well written. Obolo, I'm gonna go to my end. Nah, look, I'm speaking in tongues. Yeah, what I go from Amapiano to Makosa. So let me let you know what is going on here today. We got Ikalika, celebrity in the building, a musician, multi-talented musician. Don't forget multi-talented. You know about family, multi-talented. What I go to let you know that he's multi-talented, he's a content creator, a superstar, and also his live on Kenniel Sounds live streaming. Share this post to everyone you have on your profile. Like, gift if you want to gift. Go follow my page, go follow Ikalika's page, and also if you miss any moment of my live streaming, you can go follow me at Kenniel Sounds live streaming on YouTube to watch all my videos. So we have Ikalika today, and Ikalika have told us a little thing how he started his music. He has told us some certain things of how he started his music, and also I want him to tell us one thing. Ikalika, please.